Europe has sounded the alarm. Recent findings from Europe reveal a silent crisis, over 110 million people exposed to harmful transport noise. Linked to heart disease, sleep disturbance, mental stress, and reduced learning in children. Noise is no longer just an inconvenience. It's a public health issue. Now look closer to home. The Middle East and North Africa are building some of the fastest-growing cities in the world. New roads, new rail, new airports, new communities. And with growth comes noise. Transportation noise is becoming an urban challenge in cities like Dubai, impacting homes, hotels, hospitals, workplaces, and public spaces. The question is not if noise will increase. It's how we manage it. This is where engineering makes the difference. At Kinetics Group, noise control is not an afterthought. It is designed into the city itself. From engineered highway and road noise barriers, integrated seamlessly into urban infrastructure, to vibration isolation systems that protect buildings, hospitals, and communities, to floating floors and structural sound control that keep interiors calm, even in dense cities. This is how modern cities grow without growing louder. Europe has identified the problem, and they're acting. For fast-growing MENA cities, the time to act is now. Kinetics Group, engineering quieter cities. Protecting health. Building the future of urban living.